This is TheHelpscreen, and this is how to fix Kasa Smart Home app not working. So this is an Apple and Android device tutorial, so just simply follow along. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you multiple solutions in order for you to fix this issue. So for the first solution, just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. So first, go to your Google Play Store, and then from here, just search for Kasa Smart. And from here, just tap on the app, guys, and make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. And now, guys, for the second solution, just go to your settings on your device. And then from here, just tap on the apps and find here the Casa application. So, guys, once you find it, just tap on it and go to the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then from there, you should be able to fix the issue. And now, guys, for the third solution, just reinstall the application. And from there, you should be able to fix this issue. So first, uninstall the application on your device. And after that, just go back to the Google Play Store and install it back again. And from there, you should be able to have a working Casa Smart Home app. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!